Traders, what is up? Welcome to day 80 on the Road to 20 PA video series. Let's get started with some trading. Trading on account number 44 first. Trying to get all the accounts at at least some profit for the week. See how it works out. We got a possible downtrend here. Might throw one in, why not?
Order filled. Target filled.
Looks like we're just working lower right now. Pretty strongly too.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Target filled.
Get out of break even right there. See if we can get more of a second entry short or something like that, of that nature. Let's wait to see what market wants to do, because I expected this trend line to hold. Expecting this trend line to hold, but now we're breaking higher, so let's see what we can do here.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Got a couple of scalps there right quick, all to the downside. Every single one of them to the downside. I have here's downtrend working lower, break, new extreme. Pretty textbook. Strong hold at EMA breakout pullback pattern of this trading range. Downtrend played out with break new extreme. Let's see what the EMA does here. See what EMA does here. Will it hold or will it not? We have downtrend gets break, new extreme, so this downtrend did play out, but EMA was still holding. Last time we touched EMA, it held pretty strongly, so we might still continue to work lower. First entry short triggered here. Triple test coming up at this level. Good morning, everybody. Strong push down. Looks like we might continue to work lower, but we'll see. That's 2 attempts. That's 2 attempts to push it to a new extreme. So you might get a little bit of a reversal here, hopefully. Oh my god. This is second entry long, so if anything was to reverse the market, it would be this right here. From this side, you have first entry long, pull back, second entry long. If anything was supposed to push above EMA, it'd be this move right here. Looks like market wants to go lower, regardless of price action. See what this actually looks more like is we have a spike and channel pattern. So that's that initial spike, and then we're gonna have a channel, something like this. These are always hard to draw. It's because you don't know where it really starts. But something like that. Spike and channel pattern. You got spike, channel. And I deleted it. Nice. Great work, AJ. Let's adjust this bad boy. These are always the trickiest to draw, I'm telling you. Because you don't know the true starting point of your trend. Just I'm butchering this one right now. Why is it? There we go. There we go. Spike and channel pattern. Jeez Louise. So you get initial spike down, and then you get a more gradual channel down. These are I actually love these channels for scalping in this strategy, so hopefully we can make some good money in it. If I can get it aligned the way I want it to be. Perfect. Spike, channel. And we're overshooting. Nice. Did all that work to draw that damn channel. Revolutions. You follow? Now what we have is some potential overshoot. There's two keys to success in this bracket. One, you gotta stay loose. Looks like our spike and channel pattern was instantly negated, which kind of sucks. I liked that pattern, but I guess it's something more like this. It's a bear day in the market. Bears are taking over. It's the Great Depression, man. All my money's gone. I don't want to retire anyway, it's fine. There's two keys to success in this racket. One, you gotta stay loose. Oh my God. What is happening to my market? Guys? What's happening? I'm scared. This is a wild sell-off. Guys, what's happening? There's two keys to success in this bracket. One, you gotta stay loose. All right, up 150 on the day. I don't see ourselves taking any trades anytime soon. Just because market volatile, market scary. News at 10 o'clock. Might just hold off until then. 7 minutes till news. We got some big ones. It's all Michigan stuff. So if you're from Michigan, thanks for tuning in. You guys got some crazy stuff going on over there at 10 o'clock. From Detroit. What is happening? $838. Down over 100 points since open. Some crazy price movement. Now we're getting some overshoot, but that didn't stop it last time, so if this doesn't stop it, I don't know what will. To be quite frank, it's not stopping it. This is nuts. This is some crazy price movement. This is that type of price action you just really can't draw a trend around. It's just too 90 degrees. The falling knife pattern. I'm gonna hold off until 10 o'clock. Here's that correction finally. Guess we can't go down forever, right? Overshoot looks like it's doing its job right now. But let's see. Super strong push down. We're down almost 100 points or 200 points since open, so I don't see what Pandas is doing. Oh, he's not streaming. Oh yeah, he is. You ready?
I'll take it with some size. I'll take a second extra short.
Good morning, Pandas.
Sure. A little bit of size.
He's trading 150k accounts. What the hell?
Question is, are we going to get a second extra short? Could be quite possible we don't even get a second extra short because this move is so strong. It's too bearish. That could give us second extra short only first entries, maybe. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. Or give us a really ugly second extra short.
Overshoot not doing its job. News in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
When will it stop?
It's the first entry market.
When will the hemorrhaging stop,
Won't be able to get
boys?
a second entry. It seems like that kind of day. The only way I could be convinced that this is going to reverse is obviously reversal pattern, but
News in 1 minute. Overshoot, not quite acting as overshoot. It's just too bearish of a downtrend, really. Looking like it's going to be a bear. Look at this move. We chased 100% of this move yesterday. There's the news, if you were wondering. Jeez Louise. I don't even know how to trade this, bro. Alright, next news item is at 11:30. So, you wait till 11:30. I don't even know how to trade this, man. Too much volatility. I do not even know how to trade this. I don't think this type of price movement is tradable with our strategy. I think we just have to just watch this market move down, because this doesn't happen every day. Our strategy is better for the you know, the choppy, not so volatile movement price action. I know the news just hit, but next news item is at 11:30. Atlanta Fed GDP now, quarter one. 11:30, and then we have 12:10, and then we have 1. So we're chugging down, chugging on down. All right, I'm back. What happened? What we miss? Ooh. Ugh. See what happens at EMA here. EMA, do your thing. That second entry short triggered after 2 green legs, but I think we moved too far down, man. I don't think we're gonna. Oh, never mind. Looks like we are gonna move further down. You closed green. What the hell? I thought that was gonna close red for sure. We're more up here with it. think this is the correction that we've been waiting for. We had this downtrend working lower, we overshot it, and now we're looking like we're trying to reverse higher. I think we'll be able to work a little bit higher, but this one a little skeptical. I'm gonna play it patiently. I'm gonna throw a sweatshirt on because I'm freezing again. Always cold in this house, man. I'm freezing. It's cold in here, man. Oh, I just hit the meanest stretch. It made me lightheaded. That's how mean it was. Stretch so mean it made me lightheaded. Jeez. I don't have any comfy sweatshirts though. Let's see what this EMA does right here. Hopefully it holds and we get a nice uptrend working higher, but who knows with the way this market's been moving today. I have no sweatshirts. I have no sweatshirts. Oh, looks like we're breaking below it. Put this one on. Much better. Much better. Looks like we pushed below EMA. Are we gonna keep working lower? That's the question. Welcome to the markets, Jacob's Vids. Welcome to the markets. How are you doing today? P&L, favorite color? Bum bum. I love the markets. Me too. Although these markets are a little spooky. Look at this, man. The sell-off's crazy. Welcome to the markets for Joff. Ugh. Vegas Futures, you gave me the motivation to trade today. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you for tuning in, Mr. Bum Bum. I have a feeling I know your real name, though. I have no comfy hoodies. Make sure you guys like the stream and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because we're about to go long 10 contracts. A light bluish, nice tone. Nice. I'm at Thresh on PAs. Very slight damage on EAs as of right now. Nice. The PAs past threshold almost? That's a dub in my book. Screw the EAs, man. Who cares about the EAs as long as them PAs are chugging? You know why? You know why you shouldn't care about the EAs? Because even if you do blow an EA, you can just buy more using code APGHSMPI at checkout. Code in the gold on the left side of your screen. Gives you 71% discount on any eval account that you want to purchase. and 20% boosted odds on your account. Holy market moving. We do got news at 11:30. We still got time. Got plenty of time. That's our next news item. Atlanta Fed GDP now, Q1. That's Southern news you got to watch out for. We got first entry long pullback, second entry long doing its thing. I just can't trust anything right now after this strong sell-off, though. This overshoot did make the market sort of reverse, though. Let's redraw it. Overshoot. All caps, I guess. Let's keep it like that. This uptrend gets a break new extreme. Almost. Didn't quite get there yet, but we're working. Bum, what's your P&L looking like for today? Any damage? Any damahe? If so, make sure to use that golden code to get 20% boosted odds on your next set of eval accounts. EMA holds. Looks like we are going to correct to the upside, at least momentarily. But now we have an uptrend that got to break new extreme. We can't go long anymore. We have to wait. So, kind of a no trade zone for me. I just know that when I do go long, the market's just going to continue the initial trend just like this, and I'm just going to be like, all right, well, there goes my account. It is freezing in my house. Market down about 100 points today, as of right now. About 80 points since open. Pushing below EMA after uptrend gets break new extreme. This could be the reversal that we were looking for. Could be the reversal. Definitely some support right here.
Order filled.
And we're filled. See if we can get a scalp real quick. Should at least test the bottom of this candle.
Target filled.
There we go. Good for one. Might be able to get another. I do kind of want to see a retest of the EMA before we go short any longer. A nice lower high confirmation pattern would be nice to confirm the reversal. That's perfect close for a confirmation pattern. Let's trap all the bulls trying to go long right here. Let's see if they can get trapped. Ooh, are the bulls getting trapped? No, they would never. Let's see where this bar will close.
Target filled.
I guess some buyers coming in at this bottom right here, but I think we're still going to push lower for sure. Yeah, some buyers coming in right here. Yeah, first entry long, second entry long, trying to trigger. Definitely wait for that to clear out before we enter in our position. We do have some lows here that are matching. Want to be careful with that. This is going to be second entry long. Second entry long triggered above EMA. First entry long, pull back, second entry long. Did any bulls enter in above that bar? I think it's not convincing enough for people to have entered in above that bar, but
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Right here we have first entry long, pullback, second entry long, one tick above this great bullish signal bar, and then instant reversal, trapping all the buyers. Buyers are definitely going to be scared to get into the market as of now. Perfect time to get your shorts in. 200 ticks till bar close. A little bit of a bullish push. This support level looks like it's sort of holding. It is towards the bottom of this smaller downtrend. Strong push up there. See if we can get the first entry long, pullback, second entry long, lower high confirmation. You want to wait till the bar to almost close here before you get in at all. See if this resistance sellers come in. 500 ticks till bar close. Pushing through the EMA. It's a good sign for bulls. Might have to play it patient from now on. See if this resistance level holds at all.
Order filled. Target filled.
These lows are, buyers are actually coming in pretty strongly at these lows right here, so interesting, but we're kind of forming a triangle pattern. Buyers usually come in at this level pretty strongly, but maybe they've taken enough losses now. First entry long pullback, second entry long, failure, kind of a lower high, kind of not a lower high. Let's see if this level holds. Shiv, good morning, man. How you doing? How's your trading day going if you are trading today? Glad to see you back in the stream, my friend. Looks like we're entering more of a trading range type that wants to break to the downside a little bit more, but this support level is holding pretty strongly right here at the 48 level. So I don't want to sell into that quite yet. Area was good for a number of scalps though, so pretty decent for us. Ugh. I need to see a chiropractor. Looks like we're finally breaking lower. Wait, maybe I spoke too soon? Let's get it, traders. Let's get it, Jacob Vids. You make some money in that little reversal area of the chart, or the little chop area. So I made like 200. Made about $200. Kind of weird price action right now. I think this is just the bulls' attempt to just push the market higher, but we're just way too bearish that it's just not letting them. That's my opinion. Working on it. Nice. Keep on testing this support level. Eventually we should break through. But buyers keep coming in here. Don't want to sell into this level. Just like that. We're kind of bouncing between this level and EMA right now. Just back and forth, back and forth. Eventually we'll break to one side or the other. Obviously I think it's going to be to the downside, but you never know. We could correct up, and when it does break out to one side or the other, it's going to be strong. So just want to be careful. Be careful about your orders in this area of the chart for sure, because this is unusual price action. We should have, once we had this uptrend working higher and we got the break new extreme, we should have reversed to the downside. We should have kept pushing lower. So I'm starting to think that maybe the bulls have a little bit more power in the market than I previously thought, but we could also just be in a trading range as well. Nice little range. Let's see what the bulls can do here. Seller's gonna come in at these highs for sure. that. And this does resemble a nice like two-legged pullback. You have this first leg up, right? You have first leg down, pull back, second leg down, or maybe like this. Two legs down, maybe either way, you know what I mean. And then you get a matching leg to the upside, possibly. Just because the initial move down right here was super strong. Look how big this move is. So you definitely expect some bigger correction with the bigger moves as well. So let's see how if we work much higher. I'm gonna draw a little bit of a range here, but let's see what the bulls can do here. I'm kind of interested. Plus we do have overshoot here as well, so overshoot can lead to just markets reversing and trending in the opposite direction. So definitely want to be careful. Unclear bias for sure, because market should have continued working lower here. Up about 400 for the day, not too bad, and it's only $10.30. $400 for an hour of trading. I will take that any day of the week. Let's see how this previous high holds. See if our trading range is a valid structure, or if it's just gonna blow right through it. Measured move is at 815 level, so looks like we blowing through it. I'm gonna draw a bigger uptrend for right now. Measurement of 1850 level. I'm just gonna draw a little line to know. Can expect reversal at this line level. I think that's where it was. Yeah, just about. Why is this song so sad? We're up. I need some hyper music. Morning coffee. This is what this one's called. This one's more chill. Bouncing off the measured move line. You can see some sellers coming in. Ugh. I am really enjoying trading on the five accounts rather than just the one. It makes it way nicer, because even though I'm up 400 right now, it doesn't feel like it, because when I look at the account balances, it just feels all spread out. So I'm not like, oh, I made a lot of money today, like I need to be careful, and I start getting emotional. It's not like that, which is nice. I like that. We're bouncing off the measured move leg of these two legs up. I don't think this trading range is too valid. I think this is just a correction phase of this bigger downtrend. We still might get new extreme of this downtrend, so we have downtrend working lower, very, very big downtrend working lower. Overshoot leads to a bigger correction, and then once usually the way overshoot works is the amount that the chart overshot on one side, it will reach about the same distance of overshoot on the other side. So it overshot about this much on this side. If it looks about even on this side, then you can expect the reversal or regular price action. You can resume. Sorry, explain that kind of weird, but happy Fresh Cash Friday to everyone. Let me know how everyone's trading weeks went. I think mine went pretty good. Pretty good. Up about like 900 across all the accounts for the week. Actually, I can do the math right now. I'm kind of interested. Up about 1,000. Monday market is closed. It sure is. We have President's Day, which kind of sucks. So it is going to be a super, super long weekend, which kind of bums me out, but it's whatever. 3-day weekend for us. Taka, how are you doing this morning? Thank you for swinging through again. I appreciate it. Looks like it's just crazy how price action works. I know that guy, I'm not sure if you guys were in the stream, but that guy yesterday came through. He's like, you should trade oscillators. You should use more indicators. You don't need any of that stupid stuff, in my opinion. It just confuses you. And if you have a pretty concrete strategy that you're trading, it's just gonna throw in other variables that you have to worry about, and it's just other variables that are gonna other variables that are gonna mess you up in your trade analysis. Look at the way this price action works. We have first leg up, pull back, second leg up, perfectly measured move. You see, once we get to the exact measured leg of the first leg, we literally bounce off this exact level that I drew before. I drew that even before it got here, before the bounce happened. So now that it's bouncing, you know that, oh, okay, the correction phase is maybe ending. And now we might work lower, just like this, maybe even get a new extreme of this downtrend. I feel like less is more in trading. But everyone trades their own ways. If you use indicators and they work, then keep doing it. But I just like trading the price action. I don't need all that stuff. I can't pay attention to that many things at once, man. Plus, I don't even know what an oscillator is. I don't even know what half the indicators even mean. Like VWAP, oscillators, what else? There's more. Like cumulative delta, all that stuff. Like, what does it even mean? All I know is that the candles do what the candles want to do. Doing good, thank you. That's awesome. I'm glad your Friday's going well. Mine's going pretty well too. We're up about 400 on the day. Trying to get one more trade on this account before I switch over to account number 41 and try to get some gains on that one as well. But I'm expecting to reverse after these two measured legs. This uptrend might get a new extreme. It just did. So now we have two legs move, and we have the smaller uptrend getting a break new extreme. So could get possible reversal now, but we shall see. Here we go. We get the break new extreme. It's kind of like a micro break new extreme of this shortened uptrend, and now it looks like we're reversing down. Let's see if we can break this low. The matching lows. Yeah, looks like we're breaking through it. Let's see what EMA does. If you push through EMA, I might take a short here. Take a nice little short here. Bear's definitely in control today. Look at this perfect second entry short on the 10K tick chart. Downtrend working lower. You have first leg up, pull back, second leg up, and now we're bouncing off the EMA. Perfect signal bar. That is textbook if I've ever seen it. How long have you been trading for? It was a year ago I started a year ago on February 8th, so about a year. But I've only been trading this strategy for 2 months. I started off trading on a different instrument and a different strategy, so. I think we work lower here. EMA trying to hold. But look at this perfect setup, man. First entry short. Well, first entry short was right here, but first entry short, second entry short. It's a visual one, but it looks perfect. I want to short the market. 300 ticks till close on this bar. Hopefully we can close below EMA. 200 ticks left. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. It's actually a good bull close. EMA holds? Question mark? What the heck? I still think we're gonna break lower. No trigger on the 10K tick chart, so. Strong buyers coming in. Was not expecting that, to be honest. Maybe we'll get from this high first entry long pullback, second entry long failure below EMA. That'd be nice. Go Birds, Mr. Vegas Futures. Go Birds. Always good to see some Birds fans in the chat. How's your morning going, Jarf? Make sure to, and if you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure to leave a like on the stream. It helps me out a whole bunch. I think it helps with people, with new viewers finding their way in here. Alright, let's see it reverse here. I'm looking for a failed second entry long. I think that's the setup. I think that's the money setup. Looks like we're finally reversing back down. Break below this bar, break below EMA. Failed second entry long. We'd be rich if that happens. Maybe. Are you leaving? Okay. Here's that. Here's that reversal. Oh, Jesus Louise. The music that I have to play now makes me so tired. I don't know why. I miss my old music. But they'll ban me if I play it. They'll ban me forever. Strong push below EMA is what we are looking for. See if we can get a bar close. Definitely want to wait for retest of this EMA just because these two legs look perfectly measured. And that would be a good correction phase for an uptrend. So I think I'm going to wait for a retest unless it continues to push like right here, like way further down. But it looks like we're getting a retest, which is good. Say EMA. See the EMA deny here. 600 ticks till close. $400 ticks till close. What time is it? There's no 11 o'clock news, is there? Nope. Wait, nope. Give me a second. My order is pending. That's a good bull trap bar. If it breaks below EMA, you know the deal. You know the deal. Although, it's looking more like an uptrend now. Now that I take a look at it. After I just walked away. It's looking more like an uptrend. I'm grabbing some pita bread in the kitchen. Give me a second. Sorry, boys. Got hungry. Uptrend. What the heck? Trying to work higher. Be back. Looks like that actually held. Unusual market activity. It's an uptrend. Surprise. Overshoot, man. It works wonders. My girlfriend forgot her keys. She forgot her car keys. The most important thing to go to work. Bouncing off that 200 EMA now. What up, guys? Grabbing some water. I got thirsty. By what age do you think you will be a millionaire? I don't know. Hopefully sooner than later. I know I'll be a millionaire by 50. But that's like worst case scenario. You think I'll be a millionaire by when I'm 28? I hope so, man. I'm so broke. It's ridiculous. 28 would be a good number though. Let's shoot for it. Hopefully 28 will be a millionaire. I appreciate that, by the way. You think I'm good at trading? I'm alright. I think I'm average. Hopefully we'll be a millionaire by the end of this year. That would be pretty cool. But I don't know. Life is funny, man. Can never really tell what's gonna happen. That's the whole point of this video series, really, is to just show the before and after of trading over time, you know? Because I feel like a lot of YouTubers now, they'll be like, oh, I made like 50K in one day and I'm making all this money, but you never really see like the beginning of how they got there. We are pushing in this little uptrend we got going. Could also have something like this. Something like that. But I don't know. Or we could just be overshooting this trend, which is something you want to be careful of, because if this was just a correction phase of this big downtrend, this overshoot will like send the market into overdrive to continue the push phase of this downtrend. So we shall see. Market just moving higher now. We got news at 11:30, so about 19 minutes. I miss my long hair, man. I feel like I look like a goon with my short hair. I look like a goober, bro. Downtrend break, new extreme push phase. Looks like we're about to overshoot my initial trend. I might have to readjust it to something steeper. Maybe this was just, you can always draw something like this too, where you have a trading range and it was a breakout pullback. So you have trading range, breakout pullback, and then the uptrend starts here, and now we're working higher with something like this. If you get rid of this, that's what it can look like. But I'm gonna keep both for right now, because you do want to stay aware of this overshoot. And this is the third leg up, which is kind of weird. You don't really get, market doesn't usually move in pairs of three unless it's a very strong trend. So let's see how this reacts. If it reacts as overshoot or if it reacts as just an uptrend, and then I'll adjust accordingly. It doesn't really look like it's acting as overshoot though, to be honest. I have a feeling it's just going to be an uptrend, a bigger uptrend. I need to see a chiropractor. I feel like my back is messed up. I gotta sit up extra straight like this. Traders, how are we doing? Yeah, I'm actually gonna delete this trend. Play this one. I think I like this one better. Trading range, sideways. Breakout, pullback pattern. Makes a little bit more sense to me. But now, we're at the second measured leg. I want to be careful for faux show. We are just pushing. Bulls pushing higher. I love to see green. I hate red days. Gonna wait for an EMA touch here before we do anything too rash. Looking to take a couple more trades before I get off. Forgot we have a 3-day weekend today, or this weekend. Kinda sucks, but we just need an EMA touch. Gonna wait for it. I don't want to enter in anything too high, especially with these slow pushing up trends, because these are the type of trends that can correct at any minute. So, you know, as soon as you enter in, it's just gonna start correcting back to the EMA and stop you out, even if it does continue to work higher. Definitely want to be protected by a couple EMAs. This is the boring part of trading. Just gotta wait it out. Oh, what did I just do? I just glitched my computer out. Here comes that correction that we were looking for. Slow market. Fridays always slow down pretty quick though. It's because I feel like people will make their money and they'll be like, alright, we're done for the week. Let's go into the weekend. So I feel like markets move slow on these days. Taka, are you still watching? I clicked on your channel and I see you play League of Legends. I'm not sure if I talked to you about that or someone else, but that game sucks. But I play it like every day. And I see you're a Kassadin main. I hate that champ. Just teleporting everywhere. We're just slowly working higher. Let's see some correction. see this thing turn over. Definitely an uptrend now. I want to take a couple more trades. I'm starting to feel that urge to just enter in randomly. It's just slowing down. Fridays always slow down so quickly. News in 5 minutes though, so. We got 11:30 news and we got 12:10 news. I didn't see this, but it says FOMC member Daly speaks. Or Daly. So it might be FOMC day. Did not see that. Hurry up. Market moving super slow now. I mean, I'm pretty bored, to be honest. Might call it a day soon. First entry long pullback, second entry long. Very, very slow market. News 1 minute. News in 1 minute. Hopefully it'll bring us back. News in 1 minute. News hitting. Atlanta, do us good. That news didn't do much. You're a pretty darn good trader. Thanks, man. I try. I'm average, man. I'm average trader. What's up? How's your trading day been going, bum? What's your P&L looking like? You lose any accounts? Gain any accounts? Sorry guys, give me a second. I need to text my my coworker at my other job. These price actions are rough to watch, man. Bum, how's the day going? Let me know. How's you and Jacob Vids doing? I see you're trading together. Looks like we finally broke out of that little slow congestion. I just don't want to go along without this EMA getting touched. I'm nervous it's going to correct back to the EMA. I'm scared. I just want to see it touch because I initially thought this was just a correction phase of this big downtrend. But now we're working up really high. Oh, here we go. We had a little bit of movement here. Let's go, EMA touch. That's what we've been waiting for. Can finally take some trades. Get the buy order ready. The bulls are coming to town. This is hard to, man. This is hard to watch. Might call it market slow. Market is mega slow. EMA touch. That's what we've been waiting for, boys. Excuse me. Fuck. Got first entry long triggered right here. See the EMA get tested. Can go in for a second entry long. Market slowing down significantly. First entry long triggered over this bar. You have first entry long. Hopefully we can get pulled back. Second entry long. But who knows? We're just kind of going sideways. Going sideways for about, what? 11:20, 11:04, about 20 minutes. Just going straight sideways. Waiting for this EMA touch. The market's just so slow now, man. I might call it a stream soon if it keeps moving like this. I mean, look at this. This price action is not the best, to say the least. Looks like we're gonna get a nice green close above this candle, though. We only have one leg down, could expect a second leg down. I think I just almost entered there just because I was bored. Would have worked though, but if you want to wait to see a second leg down, although this could be the first leg down, pull back, second leg down. Very slow. Very, very slow. Bar closes in 400 ticks. Let's see how it closes. Looks like volatility starting to pick up a little bit. All right, this is first entry long pullback. Could be second entry long this time. It's like entry long at EMA. Now we have sort of a visual 2 legs down. Not really though. Second entry long might trigger here. First entry long pullback, second entry long. 700 ticks till bar close. Triggers, see if we can get filled. Should get some pullback here. Sellers coming in at these matching highs. What happened to my music? The video ended. What? Here we go. I think we missed that entry, boys. Just because now we're at these highs. Don't want to go long into the highs. But let's see what happens. I am freezing. Gonna wait for this bar to close. This is a perfect 2 legs down. $600 ticks till close. I like this bar if it forms above the EMA. $400 ticks till close. $200 ticks. We need that reversal to the upside. Again, we have first entry long pullback, second entry long on the bigger scale. Two broad correction legs, and then this uptrend should continue if this trend line and EMA want to hold. Looks like it's trying to push to the bottom though. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna close below EMA. Interesting. Looks like we're breaking lower. That's that push we were looking for.
Order filled.
$25 ticks till close. Come on, bruh. Really? Maybe not the best trade for us, boys. Might have just been a bounce off the 200 EMA. It's definitely not what you want to see. Come on, EMA. Hold strongly. Yeah, I don't know about this one, boys. Come on. Look higher. 300 ticks till close. Bulls coming in the market. There we go. Why are bears coming in at that level?
Target filled.
Good close for us. Little spooky faux show. First entry long pullback, second entry long at EMA. Support right here, man. It's weird. It's just so sideways, it's ridiculous. headset died. Sorry.
Order filled.
See if we can get in and out real quick.
Target filled.
Nice. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it there for the day. Just because I'm starting to get tense. I feel like I'm about to screw myself in some way or another. And this market is just moving too slow for me. I think I'm just going to go into the weekend. We made 500 bucks, so it's always great. Definitely probably going to call it quits before I have to go into the weekend with a red day. But great stream. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. It was a great time. This market is just too slow for me. I think there's an FOMC announcement at 12:10 as well. So I think I'm just going to take my profits and go into the long weekend feeling good. I think we made about like $1,000 across all the accounts on the evals this week. Obviously that's not real money, but getting that much closer to getting all of our PAs. If you guys are still watching up to this point, I appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below if you're not already. Also, make sure if you blew any accounts today to use my discount code in the gold on the left side of the screen, code APGHSMPI at checkout. Gives you 71% discount on any eval account that you want to purchase, and it also gives you 20% boosted odds to pass your accounts. All right, guys, appreciate it. I hope you guys all made $2 million today, and peace.